Hey guys, a very warm welcome to my channel. I'm Arpan, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about the biggest mistake a newbie makes while doing an affiliate marketing business. So if you're excited to know more about this, make sure you drop a like to my video, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you don't miss out on that. So let's begin.
My screen, and guys, this is the basic anatomy of an affiliate marketing business. In order to run affiliate marketing business for a long term and make sure you're profitable in the long term, you need to have all these components in your business. So let me go through each of these components slowly. Like the first component which we have is our traffic. Okay, as you know, traffic is the lifeline, or we can say like a lifeblood in our business. So we can have traffic from various sources, and we can categorize the traffic section into paid traffics as well as organic traffic. And in organic traffic, we can include SEO, YouTube videos, and your Facebook post, Twitter posts. And in case of paid traffics, we can consider like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, PPC marketing, solo ads, etc. And you should make sure that you have huge number of traffic going through your sales funnel each and every day in order to make your business profitable. So guys, the next component in our model is opt-in page. So opt-in page is a page which captures user's email ID and name and forwards the user to our next page. Okay. So if you ask me like, why are we going to capture the name and email ID? Good question. We should capture the name and email ID of a user or the upcoming users to my sales funnel so that we can follow up with them with our third component, which is the email sequences. As we know, like if you're sending traffic to your affiliate offer, suppose you're sending 100 people to your offer, and it's very likely that if you get lucky, you will get a 1 to 2% conversion rate at the first instance. If you're very, very lucky. Most of the cases, people don't convert looking at your ad for the first time. So for that, we need to make sure that we need to retarget those customers once again. So for that, we are only collecting emails and name from there so that we can do a follow-up sequence with them like each and every day or each and every alternate days to make sure and to provide them with proper values and make sure that my audience comes to know about me as well as the product which I'm promoting so that he or she may take action in the future. So guys, the biggest mistake which I made at the beginning is like I used to send my traffic directly to my affiliate offer page rather than an opt-in page. So I used to get no conversions at all. And I used to think like affiliate marketing is a scam. It doesn't work. But later on, with growing with my experience, I come to know that the technique which I used to do, or like the most marketers, like most newbies do today, is the wrong technique. You should not send your traffic directly to your affiliate offer page. You should rather send them to your opt-in page where you can collect their details and have a proper follow-up sequence with them so that your customer or your audience comes to know about you and your product so that they are likely to convert in the upcoming days. And if you believe me or not, there is a stat you can go and check in Google that a person, when seeing your ad, do not convert in the first time. So an average time a person needs is about 5 to 7 times he needs to see your ad in order to convert. Okay, so we are going to have an email sequence of say 5 to 7 emails to make them convert so that you are profitable in the longer run. And we can think of an example like if we are sharing, suppose I'm sending 100 customers to my opt-in page and say 40% of them has provided me their email and name. So I got 40%, I'll say like 40 email IDs from those 100 people. Now I will remarket them using my email marketing technique using autoresponder software like GetResponse, Aweber. Okay, I'm coming to that. So when I remarket my customers and I found like say out of 40, 10 people has bought my product with the offer which I was trying to promote, and the rest 30 didn't buy. So what I will do with those 30 emails? Guys, these email IDs are your business's asset. Okay, you can use this email ID as your asset. Now what you can do, you can promote other products to these remaining 30 people. So maybe that these 30 people are not interested in the product you're promoting in the first hand. So you try to promote another product to these 30 people. You may see like out of the 30, 5 to 6 people may convert, and remaining 25 people did not convert, and then try to promote another product to the rest of these people, so that likely after a few days all of your people are going to convert. And believe me, this system works. So you need to have your traffic, your opt-in page, and the third component is our affiliate offer page, where we are going to send them in order to purchase our product which we are offering to them. And the last component is the email sequence. Guys, this is the golden nugget in this entire system. If you do not place your email sequence properly, you will not be profitable no matter what you do in affiliate marketing. So guys, this was all about today's video, which I shared about the basic anatomy you need to have in your business, affiliate marketing business. So guys, if you ask me like what are the software and tools needed in order to run this kind of a business, I would recommend 2 software or tools in order to make sure that you have to run a proper successful affiliate marketing business. First is a landing page creator, or we can say a funnel creator. Okay, for this you can use ClickFunnels or GrooveFunnels. Even there are many other examples in the market, but I will recommend you GrooveFunnels because it is free. You can create 3 complete funnels. I mean to say like 3 complete funnels, 3 websites for your business. And if you like it, then you may change to platinum version of the Groove so that you can create unlimited funnels. And if you are using ClickFunnels, you need to pay $100 every month. So it might be costly for you if you are a beginner. So I will recommend you to go with GrooveFunnels. I have the sign up link in my description. You can go and click on it and sign up for GrooveFunnels so that you can create your landing pages, opt-in pages, any kind of funnel you feel like. And the second tool which I'm going to recommend is an email marketing tool, which is also known as autoresponder. So guys, I have listed down 2 autoresponders in my description below. You can go and check them. They are Aweber as well as GetResponse. Okay, I think they provide a trial period of 30 days. You can try them out for free for 30 days, and if you like it, then you may convert to their premium version, which is also very cheap. It depends on the number of people you have in your email list. If you have less than 500, it will cost you not more than $10 a month. Okay, so it's very much affordable. I have provided all my links in my description, so I will recommend you to go down and sign up using these links. So guys, this was all in this video. I hope you liked this video, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and wait for me for my next video. Thank you.